So this is day 10 of learning to fly the DJI NEO drone, and this is Ashbourne, Derbyshire. Now I've sort of started to do two things at once, so we're basically going forward and increasing the height, and we've got slightly better last few days. And, the weather's getting a little bit better as well, a bit more sun. As far as I dare go, really. The EE phone tower. Always welcome for any advice, any comments, please drop them below, and remember to drop us a like and subscribe. That's the main thing. So that completes day 10 of learning to fly the DJI NEO drone. We're over Ashbourne in Derbyshire, and please do drop us a comment and obviously like and subscribe, much appreciated. Thank you.